Hello everybody, welcome to my channel goose.sourcecode.com, and my channel related to my website that is goose.sourcecode.com that is suitable for beginners. You can find your complete application source code. You can also log in and try my web application. Application available is Receive Payment Management System and Simple Receive Payment. Okay, in this chapter I want to show you a little about MS SQL database. Our topic today is unique key, operator in, not in, and also operator like. Okay, at the first, don't forget to visit my goose.sourcecode.com. You can try the application by click this Receive Payment Management System. Here it is. Or you can also click the Simple Receive Management System. Okay. Now let's focus to our lesson today. That is unique key. Let's open our SQL Server Management Studio. Let's continue our chapter before. In the previous chapter, we already create database and also create table. Here it is, the table that we already created before. TB ADM user. Okay, sorry, it was not exist this field. This is our table. Now, our lesson today is unique key. Okay, let's see our data. New query. Now, let's display our data within TB ADM user. This is our data. Now, let's input a new data. I want to show you duplicate value. I will input another data with user ID Mamat. Insert into the value of Goose USR, USR ID, USR name, USR description, USR password, USR input, add, and the value. For example, I give the value 5 is Muhammad. Password DER, user input, get it. Let's execute. Now let's display our data. We see here we have 5 data. Now what if I input another data with 6 and this exact the user ID is just the same. For example, I execute this. Execute. Let's find the data. We see here, this is what we mean about duplicate. This is duplicate value. We have duplicate value for user ID. Since this is duplicate, if we don't want to create any duplicate value, we have to make a constraint. So if we made a mistake by input user ID that already exists before, the database will refuse, the database will reject. Okay, this is our definition. Unique key is a table field constraints that will prevent data duplicate value for a certain field. And in this case, I want to create a unique key for field USR ID. Okay. With unique key, every time we insert data into table, then MS SQL database will try to find and check if USR ID given value is already exists. If it is not already exists, then insert process successful. But if the data is already exists, then the insert process will fail. Okay, let's demonstrate. I will create unique value, but we will see when I create, the creation process will fail because we already have duplicate value for user ID Muhammad. Okay, let's right click on the table and then click in this indexes or keys, click button add. Okay, choose the columns or field, user ID. Okay, the type is unique. I will name it tb udmsr. Okay, close. Now let's save our table. This process will fail. Okay, you see here the process is failed because the data is already duplicate. Because duplicate value is found, the duplicate value is Muhammad. You see. Now I will delete the unique key. We see here we have duplicate value for Muhammad. We have to delete one of them. Delete. Where goes USR? Oh, I'm sorry. Before delete, first check the data. Select asterisk from where USR equals 6. I want to delete the USR 6. Let's execute. Okay, this is the data that we want to delete. Now delete. Okay, success. Now let's check again. Let's see, we have no duplicate value. Now let's create again. Create indexes keys. The column is USR ID. Type is unique. Let's name the constraint. UN means unique. Unique for table TB USR, and the field is USR ID. Close and let's save. Now let's try to insert data with the same value of Muhammad. Okay, now let's execute. We will see that the execution will fail. Execute. You see here the message shown here: violation of unique constraint, unique TB ADM user ID, cannot insert duplicate value in object. The duplicate value is Muhammad. I think it is very clear that the message is that the duplicate value is Muhammad. means that we have already data with USR ID Muhammad. Okay, now let's change. I will change Muhammad to become, for example, I change to by letter U, Muhammad. Now let's execute. It will success. See, now it's success. Let's check again. This is Muhammad number 5 by O, and this is number 6 Muhammad by U, by letter U. Okay, everybody, I think this is clear enough for unique key. Now let's move to our second lesson today. In and not in. Okay. Let's see our data here. We have this data. What if I want to display data with USR 5 and 6? If we want to display data with USR equals 5, this is what we use, equals 5. What if I want to display some data with USR 5, 1, 5, and 6? Now let's see. Now, this is the difference between equals and in. With single value of data, we use equals, but we want to display or delete or update some data, we use in. Okay, I think it is clear enough. What if I want to display data except USR equals 5? We use this sign, and let's see. All data will be displayed except USR 5. What if I want to display data with some exception? Not in 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Let's see the result. All data will be displayed except 1, 5, and 6. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. You have to repeat this lesson a few times so you will get understand better. Okay, now let's see our third lesson today. Operator like. Like. Operator like is used for character for varchar data type. Let's see. What if I want to display data with user ID like SU? SU? Why like SU and percentage? You see, the data will be displayed as Sulis and Suni. User ID that start with SU. What if I want to display data that consists of letter in the middle is Name, I want to see the name like AM. There is only one user with username like AM in the middle. Percentage here means any character. So if we write USR like SU percentage, means that SU and followed by any character. And when percentage AM and percentage means that any character AM and any character. Let's try another. I want to display data with NY. Username like NY. Let's execute. You see, administrator, and inside this character there is the letter NY. Adminis. Okay. Now what if I want to display data with there is no data like this. I want to display data that end with OR. Any character OR. Let's see the data. See, the username that the username likes any character and OR is administrator. Okay, I hope this is good enough and we can understand easily. What else that we can learn today? Okay, I think it is enough for today, and thank you very much, and see you in my next videos. Then don't forget to subscribe and visit my website kusaspnetsourcecode.com. Thank you very much.